Dear valued customer, welcome to learn about the duct manufacturing process and product advantages at Decent Machinery. We focus on providing high-quality, durable ducts and accessories from the user's perspective, ensuring stable operation in complex environments such as mines and tunnels. Below are our manufacturing processes and the advantages of finished products, along with the problems they can help you avoid in real-world applications. Decent Machinery's ducts are made from double-coated high-strength PVC fabric, which offers a tensile strength of 10,000 N and excellent tear resistance, making them suitable for high-pressure or negative-pressure environments. The exceptional tensile strength, tear resistance, and weatherability of the material contribute to a longer service life for the ducts, while also reducing maintenance and replacement costs, particularly excelling in high humidity, dusty, and extreme temperature environments. The ducts are manufactured using precision cutting and seamless welding technology, ensuring high airtightness and effectively reducing air leakage, which in turn improves ventilation efficiency. Compared to traditional ducts, this design can save approximately 30% in energy consumption. Raw materials are cut using precision slitting machines, ensuring a cutting tolerance of only plus or minus 10 mm, which guarantees consistent duct dimensions, prevents connection issues, and enhances overall ventilation efficiency. The material is seamlessly spliced using a splicing forming machine, with high-temperature welding technology ensuring the strength and airtightness of the splice points. Automation reduces human error, preventing leaks and structural instability due to improper splicing, ensuring the safety of your project. We use fully automatic duct hanger punching machines and heat welding machines to ensure the perfect integration of the hanging ropes with the ducts. The innovative duct hanger process prevents hanging issues and potential safety risks due to unstable hanging ropes, improving the stability of your project. Decent ducts feature high-quality zipper seals, welded using a zipper welding machine. This ensures airtightness and durability. Efficient welding technology prevents airflow leakage and energy waste caused by poor sealing, improving the efficiency of your project. We use high-precision double-needle sewing machines for duct splicing and reinforcement, ensuring each seam is strong and consistent. The precision sewing process prevents duct rupture and structural damage due to weak seams, extending the product's lifespan. The materials used for Decent Machinery's ducts meet the UL 94V zero flame retardant standard, allowing them to self-extinguish within 3 seconds of ignition, effectively delaying the spread of fire and providing more emergency response time in high-risk fire environments such as mines and tunnels. Additionally, the duct surfaces are treated with anti-static properties, with a resistance range of 10 to 10 ohms, in compliance with IEC 61340 standards, effectively preventing static electricity-induced accidents. This makes them particularly suitable for environments with high methane concentrations or flammable gases. Each duct undergoes rigorous airtightness and strength testing to ensure the reliability of the product's quality. Finished ducts are neatly rolled using an automatic rolling machine, making them easier to transport and install. We use waterproof and dustproof packaging materials to protect the products. Proper packaging prevents damage during transportation, ensuring the integrity of the products when they arrive on site and reducing preparation time for installation. We have fully automated production equipment that increases production efficiency and significantly improves product quality stability. Fully automated equipment eliminates production bottlenecks and human errors, ensuring product consistency and timely delivery, meeting your urgent needs. Decent Machinery is committed to providing durable product solutions through excellent technology and service. Thank you for your attention and trust.